So I don't know. We don't. No, with the speaker, no. Not as yet. Not as yet. If something else comes out, then he might have to be answerable for something. So, again, we don't file cases for optics. We file cases to put people in jail or to make people answer. I know that there are many, many suggestions of who else we should file cases against. Well, we're fine with that. Provide us the evidence and we will file cases against them. Kaya sinabi ko, napakahalaga yung sumbong sa Pangulo dahil marami kaming nakukuhang impormasyon dyan. So, pagpatuloy ninyo yung inyong pagsumbong. At bigyan nyo kami ng lahat ng ebidensya na meron kayo para magamit natin, para kasuhan kahit sino. Wala naman, walang immune dito walang exempted dito sa mga investigasyon na ito.